Welcome to the ride-alongs with Brandon Steiner. What an incredible journey. And I am so grateful for the NYPD for allowing me to get inside their organization and be able to do a bunch of ride-alongs, go through all different parts of urban policing to get a better understanding about why we are not connected to the police the way we should be. What's going on in these bad neighborhoods in the middle of cities around this country? My question to all of you is, are we safe? And is it a concern now that our police departments are declining and it's getting harder and harder to recruit new police officers and we're losing them faster than we can get them? Crime is down, but yet we feel more unsafe now than ever. And policing is more complicated than ever. And it is a time when we probably need to support police more than ever. But we also need to invest in these neighborhoods, help the people in these communities that are sitting with all kinds of homeless shelters, gangs, and all kinds of other things that are going on that are really beyond their control. Give this book a read. Don't buy one copy, buy three. One for you, one for a friend, and for somebody else that you know would be concerned about the future safety in this country, particularly in urban cities. Take the ride along with me. Pick up this book right now at Collectible Exchange. You can go to Barnes & Noble or go to Amazon right now and pick up your 3 copies ASAP.